Proper nutrition is vital to a healthy life at any age. When we get older, we tend to eat less as our metabolism slows and nutritional needs change. Caregivers are often faced with this challenge when taking care of the seniors. Apart from biological changes, there could be some other reasons that seniors are not eating well. My dad didn't like the nasi lemak I made for him. I don't quite understand. He used to love it. I mean, really love it. There was a time he had it for breakfast religiously. He poked at the food a little and put down the fork. I asked him what was wrong, but he just kept quiet. I must say I was upset that he didn't appreciate my efforts. As we age, senses may be dulled. This could affect how we perceive food and may also reduce sensations of hunger. Maybe recipes could be altered to incorporate more flavorful herbs, spices, and vegetables. At the same time, cut down on the usage of sugar, salt, oils, and fat. Medication can affect a person's eating habits. Side effects may cause constipation, dry mouths, or alter the sensitivity in taste buds. Age and eye conditions can cause poor vision. Not being able to see food clearly can cause a lack of interest in food. There may be dental problems affecting teeth, gums, and dentures. The shape of the mouth and jaw can change over time. Dentures can become loose and uncomfortable, or even cause painful sores and irritation. Perhaps a visit to the dentist or an optician could be the solution. If the elderly is taking medications, consult the doctor to find out if there are side effects affecting eating habits. There is also the psychosocial aspect. Many seniors grew up with sit-down family dinners where people chat, laugh, and bond. Mealtimes can become lonely and meaningless if there is no significant other to dine and converse with. These changes are a normal part of aging. Our tastes and preferences can change for a variety of reasons. It could be physiological or it could be also psychological. A bit of experimenting, patience, and a lot of communication will go a long way. Nutrition and diet are just one of the factors to caring for the elderly. Personal care, hygiene, and communication skills are also important. To find out more on other interesting tips, you can consider taking courses on topics such as healthy aging, wellness, and caregiving at the National Silver Academy. The National Silver Academy has a wide range of learning opportunities for seniors aged 50 and above. Visit www.nsa.org.sg to find out more.